Yo, what is really good, people? It's your boy Dreams. We are back on Cloud 9. We're with the G's XG. Listen, slowing it down today, I think. Yeah, I was looking through the suggestions. A lot of people were saying in the rain, in the rain, in the rain. I'm like, do you know what? I like the sound of that. Yeah, so let's check out In the Rain. Like, let's not waste any time. Let's get straight into this today. I don't know what to expect as always. I'm excited though, because I just know if it's XG, it's gonna bang. So guys, let's get into this, man. We got a music video too. I'm excited. Come on. Oh yeah, this is giving me R&B vibes already. I'm happy.
Rain on my shoulder, cloud in my head,
Yeah.
head over heels, nothing to fear, cause we had each other, fall through the weather, there was no other like this, and then you started hiding it, sliding in, baby it's so evident, boy why are you stuttering, but my dude's still running in, goodbye, goodbye, so you never been like that, yeah I know it's a shame, what a pity, you got nobody to blame but your baby, night after night, all the times, all the tries, I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain, in the rain, left me out in the cold with nobody to hold, can't you see I'm a side, I'm a side, I'm a side, so let it rain, what else can I do?
Nah, I'm pausing it. That's what I was waiting for. I don't know if you could see my face, but I was there. I was like, when's this bass gonna hit in? I could feel that I could feel it coming. And it always works with these kind of R&B trap soul inspired tunes. It's like you just delay that bass for the chorus, yeah, or the bridge into the chorus, and it just has such a mad impact. I'm just letting you lot know I'm probably going to be pulling this one up, but yeah, so far the visual, I'm liking the dark aesthetic, the choreography, so smooth, the umbrellas, I love how they're using them. Yeah,
Ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to hide, still I'm standing here right where you left me, in the rain, 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 in the rain. Rain, don't go away, please stay another day.
no way,
Funny how I
no
don't wanna
way,
make it stop.
hold on, no way. All right, is it a nursery rhyme all over the world? Yeah, the rain, go away, come again another day. Like, surely you guys, everyone knows that. Yeah? How did XG just put that into this song and make it sound so wavy? I cannot believe I just heard that. That's mad.
Rain, don't go away, please stay another day.
What?
Funny how I don't wanna make it stop. Hands every time I drop, each drop. Yeah. Right now you got me dancing in the rain, all by myself like I'm insane.
Yeah.
Sometimes the words just can't explain. I don't really wanna think about anything. Goodbye. Ain't no one will look back. It was only a game, but a pity. Save it all in a frame without me, baby. Poured down a drain, all the scars, all the pain. I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Left me out in the cold with nobody to hold. Can't you see I'm a side, I'm a side, I'm a side. So let it rain, what else can I do? Ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to hide, still I'm standing here right where you left me. In the rain, 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 non-stop, baby, let me stop, can't stop, wash you off in the rain, non-stop, baby, let me stop, can't stop, wash what else in the rain, in the rain, there's no umbrella to hide, still I'm standing here, can't you see I'm a side, I'm a side, I'm a side, in the rain, in the rain, in the rain.
Nah, Nah, that went too quick. Listen, you lot already know I'm pulling that up. You already know I'm pulling that up. Let me tell you something about this tune right here. This is such easy listening. Yeah? Like, and when I'm saying such easy listening, like, all right, as an R&B head, like, I listen to R&B every day. This is going straight in the Summer Walker vibes playlist. That you know, you don't know what I'm saying. That trap soul. Yeah, this is wavy. It's just, it feels like I've heard it already. It feels so familiar. Like, I'm running this again, man. Like, I'm doing this for me. I don't even care about you lot right now. Like, this is a vibe. What? Yeah.
Nothing to fear, cause we had each other, fall through the weather.
Yeah.
There was no other like this. And then you started hiding it, sliding in. Baby, it's so evident. Boy, why are you sliding in?
I love Harvey's tone there, you know. It just brings another element. It sounds perfect. The melodies.
All the times, all the tries, I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Left me out in the cold with nobody to hold. Can't you see I'm my side, I'm my side, I'm my side. So let it rain, what else can I do? Ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to hide.
Bruv, this is the first time I've heard this. How do I already know the melodies? How do I already know the melodies? This is mad. It's so catchy. Like I said, it feels so familiar. These melodies are crazy, bruv. Crazy. What? In the rain. Don't make me start singing that.
Standing here right where you left me. In the rain, in the rain, in the rain. What? In the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Rain, rain, don't go away. Please stay another day. Funny how I don't wanna make it stop. Hands every time it drop. Each drop. Yeah. Right now you got me dancing in the rain. All by myself like I'm insane. But sometimes the words just can't explain. I don't really wanna think about anything. Goodbye. Ain't no one will look back. It was only a game, but a pity. Save it all in a frame with dummy baby. Heart down a drain, all the scars, all the pain. I'm washing.
Sorry, we just take a second to just see the formation, the movement through that. The choreography was mad. Just taking it back slowly here. Sorry. It was mad. From the minute Harvey takes the jacket off, just everyone else's movements, that was just, the precision was mad. Mad.
Save it all in a frame with dummy
Boom.
baby.
Boom.
Heart down a
Boom.
drain, all the
Boom.
scars, all the
Boom.
pain. I'm
What?
washing it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Left me out in the cold with nobody to hold. Can't you see I'm a side, I'm a side, I'm a side. So let it rain, what else can I do? Ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to hide.
Nah, this is too catchy.
Here right where you left me in the rain, 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 in the rain. Stop, baby, let me soak and scrub, wash you off in the rain. Stop, baby, let me soak and scrub, wash you off in the rain. In the rain, there's no umbrella to hide. Still I'm standing here. Can't you see I'm a side, I'm a side, I'm a side.
Oh.
In the rain, in the rain, in the rain.
Oh, guys, in the rain, what? Yeah, in the rain. That was a vibe, man. Like, the melodies on that one were just so sick. I want to hear it again. I'm not even going to lie to you, but I can't run it back 3 times. That's insane. That was so wavy. Like, that is going straight in the playlist, like, instantly. You know, like one of them songs you just be singing in the shower, like, you lot know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I know you lot know what I'm talking about. Feeling yourself just in the rain, in the rain, while the water's just coming down on you, just like it in a music video. I know you lot be doing that. Yeah, I'm about to do that tomorrow. Don't worry, I'm about to do that tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, me in the shower. Yeah, we got a date. Trust me, in the rain, it's going down. Yeah? Nah, guys, listen, all jokes aside, that was so sick. So catchy. The melodies were mad. The visual was sick. I love the dark aesthetic. Like, it fit the mood perfectly. Yeah? The choreography, crazy. I love the use of the umbrellas. I don't have a bad word to say. I don't have a bad word to say. Like, the mad thing is, like I said, it was so familiar. Like, yeah, your boy didn't get no goosebumps today, but it felt like I've heard that song 100 times. Like, and I'm not sick of it. It's so hard to explain right now. But yeah, man, that was just beautiful. That is going on the playlist. I absolutely love that. Love it. Guys, it's Cloud9, man. It's Cloud9. You know what happens here. Like, this is where we go to find the best music in the world. XG don't miss. XG don't miss. This is why I be doing XG reactions like every week right now, because I just love this group. They're one of my favorite groups. Full stop. They're just incredible. You guys know what to do in the comments. Yeah, you know what to do in the comments. Get in there. Let me know where I go from here. What tunes you guys want next. Do we go back to, I don't know, some of the Voxes? Do we check out some of the other tapes? What do we do? Do we go for some other music video? Like, just let me know, guys. Direct me. You know your boy loves some direction, and I trust you guys. Yeah? Make sure you're liking this. Make sure you're hyping this. Send it to everyone you know. Guys, we're so close to 10K. It's crazy. I need everyone to subscribe ASAP. Join the family. Go watch my other reactions over here. But you know, if you made it this far, man, you know what I'm going to say? I love you guys. To all my alphas, all my wolf pack. Yeah. Listen, you lot are G's. Boom.